Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XSPA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis several times last week, and that is where this red line here is coming into play at 58 cents, which actually played a pretty important role in today's movement and still is setting up as a very interesting level headed into Tuesday here. But as a quick recap, in case you didn't see the videos from last week, talked about 58 cents as an area of resistance. And you can see that this morning price temporarily spent a little bit of time above it, but then as soon as the price fell back below it, you can see it went right back to acting as resistance both there and there. But the interesting component here is that assuming there's no gap downs or anything like that on Tuesday, the price has a very small distance to travel before it could potentially go up there and do battle with 58 cents. So you know a whole bunch of people are going to be watching that level and wondering, hey, you know what? Can the price get a break of that area? And when a whole lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements, and that's exactly what's going on here with that 58 cent mark. So watch 58 cents very closely. Like I said, you know there's going to be a bunch of breakout players watching that level, so that'll definitely be the main area of resistance moving forward. As far as levels of support, the level that was revealed after today's price movement right here at 55 cents. I'm not going to count the number of times, but a whole bunch of times the price went down around that level and held very nicely. In the event 55 cents does not hold up, next key level of support to keep an eye on would be the very well-known, very famous 50-period moving average with my chart denoted there by that purple line, and the current value of that is at 52 cents. So all in all, definitely an interesting setup here headed into Tuesday, so let's see how this all plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.